I'm Mavi, and we're gonna have some awesome videos today. Today, we're gonna go to the pool. Are you ready to go to the pool?
Yep, we're ready.
Yeah. So, let's go to the pool. Plantation Bay. If you don't know what's Plantation Bay, or if you've been there, I've been there just 2 days ago. I've been to Plantation Bay and it's awesome. There's some lagoons in there, and I had what's called the ultimate swimming, and I swam for many hours, and I did rock climbing. Well, I only got there by 4 feet. Yeah, that's alright. So I went rock climbing, and there's a lot of pools. There's just only I think 2 pools, but the area is really big in Plantation Bay. It's cool. The food, I went in the children's meal, and well, I basically like no rice. So I love it. I ate chicken and also some fries. So Plantation Bay was awesome. You're gonna visit there because it's cool. It's cool. Plantation